Dear students, now question number 4. The adjoining pie chart, here is the pie chart, gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Maths, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. Dear students, now the pie chart is given to us. In the pie chart, as you can see, the sectors, in the sectors degree, the values are given in degrees. That means this is the central angle. In the first question, it was given in percentage. That's why we have divided each term by 100 because total percent is 100. But now in this pie chart, the values are given in degrees. So we will divide them by total degree, means complete angle of 360 degree. Now the question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? So we will take out how many more marks were obtained by the students in mathematics than in Hindi. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi. So let us first of all calculate the marks obtained in each subject and then we will answer the remaining two parts. So here is the table made from the pie chart given to us. Now subjects are given to us. Degree is the unit, that means central angle is given to us. And if you add all these angles, you will get the total of 360 degree, that is the complete angle. Now dear students, we have to calculate the marks. As we have made the central angle formula, now in the similar way we will make the formula for getting the marks. So now central angle is given to us, we will write central angle divided by total angle, means the complete angle is of 360. So we will divide by 360 into, because we have to convert these sectors into the marks obtained, so we will take the total marks, right? As we do in case of central angle, when we have to convert in central angle, we will take multiplied by 360 degree. But now we have to convert into marks, so we will take 540 total marks. And central angle divided by obviously total angle. So let us solve, let us calculate the total angle. So now in mathematics, the central angle is 90 degree. Let us put the value. Central angle is 90 degree divided by total angle is 360 degree into 540. So dear students, now calculate it. So if you will calculate 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, and when you multiply, now next cutting 2 45, so you will get 135 marks. Now not degree, we are calculating the marks now. Now similarly in social science, the central angle is 65, so we will take 65 degree divided by total complete angle 360 degree into 540. Now these two fractions are same in each and every part, so no need to calculate every time. We will directly take 2 and 3 like this. Now when you calculate 65 multiplied by 3 and divided by 2, you will get the marks 97.5. Now in science, 80 degree is the sector angle divided by complete angle 360 degree into, we are converting into marks, so we'll multiply it by total marks. So when you will solve it, 2, 3, then 240 is 80, and when you calculate it, you will get 120 marks. In English, the central angle is 55 degree divided by total angle into 540. So when you will calculate it, you will get 82.5 marks. So again take 2 and 3, then multiply and divide, you will get this. Now for Hindi, the central angle is 70, so we will take 70 divided by 360 into 540. So degrees, so when you will calculate it, you will get that marks 105. Dear students, now to check whether you have done the calculations in a correct way or not. Just add the total marks, add the marks of each subject. The total must be 540. So if you will add them, you will see that the total is of 540. So in this way, now we can answer the various questions asked in the question. Now the first question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? So let us see the table. In which subject the student scored 105 marks? Here you can see. In Hindi subject, the student has scored 105 marks. Now the next question is, how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? मैथ्स में कितने ज़्यादा नंबर हैं हिंदी से? तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to subtract both the marks. In mathematics, the students have scored 135 and Hindi they scored 105 marks. So कितने ज़्यादा? How many more marks he obtained in mathematics? So subtract the two. 135 minus 105, that is 30 marks he had scored. So now the third part. Now third part is, examine whether the sum of marks obtained in social science and maths, means we have to add the 2 marks, social science and maths, is more than that in science and Hindi. तो हमें social science और maths के ऐड करने हैं और science और हिंदी, और बताना है क्या social science और maths के marks are they greater or not. So we have to add the first 2 columns. That means mathematics and social science, and the second sum we have to take is of science and Hindi, that is 120 and 105, and then we'll answer the second part. So let us see whether the sum is greater or not. So first part, answer is 105 marks के subject में थे. In Hindi the student have scored 105 marks. Now second part, what they asked you, how many more marks the students have obtained in mathematics than in Hindi. So let us subtract the Hindi marks from mathematics to get the difference, and the difference is of 30 marks, right, as I explained you. Now the third part is, check whether the sum of maths and social science marks is more than the sum of science and Hindi. So let us take the sum of, in third part, let us take the sum of mathematics plus social science. So let us see how much. In maths 35 and 97.5. So we'll get the sum in this way. And for science plus Hindi, we have to take the sum for these 2 subjects also, 120 plus 105. So after adding them, we can answer this question. So dear students, as you can see, the sum of maths and social science is 232.5 and the sum of science and Hindi marks is 225. So what is the answer? Yes, the sum of maths and science is greater than the sum of science and Hindi. So we'll write yes, sum of mathematics and social science is greater than, you can put the sign also, or you can write the complete sentence, is greater than the sum of science and Hindi. So in this way, dear students, you can answer the question completely. I hope it is clear to you. So first of all, central angle is given to you, convert it into marks, then answer the remaining questions of the given question.